The elder Tohana leaves the courtroom visibly upset after a jury finds Christopher Deedy not guilty of second-degree murder. The jury was hung on other sentencing options, and that means the State Department special agent could be in jail still for years. KITV4's Andrew Pereira joins us with our top story at 6. Andrew.
Well, Yunji, the elder Tohana issued a statement after the verdict calling Deedy an irresponsible coward. The day began with jurors telling Judge Karen On they were deadlocked on a number of sentencing options against Christopher Deedy.
Would any more time assist this jury in reaching a unanimous verdict in this case?
Possibly.
All right.
But less than 3 hours later, a verdict the elder Tohana may not have been prepared for.
We, the jury, have reached a unanimous verdict to murder in the second degree. Is that true?
Yes.
And the verdict is not guilty. Is that true?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to poll the jury just to make sure.
There was no mistake. The jury unanimous in clearing Deedy of murder in the November 2011 shooting death of 23-year-old Colin Elderts at a Waikiki McDonald's. The elder Tohana left the courtroom visibly upset as court proceedings were still underway.
Devastated family.
Deedy's lead attorney said while he was pleased with the result, it was no time to celebrate.
No matter what, there's no winners in a case like this. I mean, there's not. On the one hand, you have the elders they've lost a loved one, and that's not something that anybody wants to see, whatever the circumstances were.
However, there was no mistaking the sentiments of the elder Tohana, which was read by a family spokesperson.
Christopher Deedy is a very irresponsible, cowardly individual that took away the heartbeat of our family and forever changed us.
Deedy's attorney said he would invoke a precedent-setting case by the Hawaii Supreme Court to dismiss any additional charges against Deedy, which includes reckless manslaughter and assault in the first and second degree. Known as the State versus Moriwaki, the 1982 case places a burden on prosecutors to show why a third trial could produce a different result. Before dismissing charges, the court must consider the severity of the charged offense, the number of prior mistrials and circumstances of jury deliberations, and the character of prior trials in terms of length, complexity, and similarity of evidence presented.
We firmly believe that there are legal motions that we can file to dispose of those charges, and that this case should not ever have to go to trial again.
Deputy Prosecutor Janice Huta is undeterred and said the state may pursue manslaughter and assault charges against Deedy that could put him in jail for more than 20 years.
I would recommend that. I believe that Colin Elderts and his family and his friends and our community deserve that kind of justice, at least a resolution.
The Elderts family says they will continue to pursue a new law in honor of Colin Elderts that would prevent any law enforcement official from carrying a firearm while consuming any amount of alcohol. Yunji?